Friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this control bracket in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my Ko-Fi shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@macnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So I will close this file and create a new file. Here I have created a new file, and I will insert my body, and I will on my origin plane. So the base feature which will we make on the right plane with the help of a revolve. So we will select our right plane, which is a YZ plane, and click on the sketch, and we will off our origin plane. Now we will read the dimensions. So you can see that the outer diameter is a 19 mm, and this inner is a 66, and this one is a 44. So we will select the polyline tool, and we will create a rough profile. Now we will add the relations, like this will be horizontal and this will be the vertical. And now let's give the dimensioning. Select this dimension and these 2 points and give it 45, because this one is the radius, this is the maximum one. So we will move our lines. In one is a 66, so we will select the horizontal dimension and give it 33. And this bore is of 44, so select this point and add a 22. And depth is of a 19 mm, So select this and give the 19 mm. And now let's see what is unconstrained is the total height. So total height is of 50 mm. So select the line and click on the dimension and give the 50. So we have a fully constrained profile. We will come out of the sketch, and now we will click on the revolve tool, click on OK. So this is the base profile which we have created. Now we will create these two pads. So for this I will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, and now I will click on project geometry tool and I will project, and I will select the 3-point arc and create a arc. Now I will move to the bottom side and I will select these two arc and make it equal, and here it is given a diameter 50, which is incorrect in this drawing. So this is the R15, and from this center to this one is given a 30. So first thing which we will do, we will give the vertical dimension of these 2 points. This horizontal one, and give it a 60. And now we will again select it and give it a 30, and now we will create a circle, click on the diameter and we will give it a 30 because it is a diameter 30, not 15. Now I will give the dimension, and if you see from the center it is 60. Why I am saying it is a diameter 30? Because I have already modeled this part. Now I will select the line tool, create a line, and I will add the tangency relation. Click on tangent and select this point and this one and add the coincidence relation. Same thing we will do on the other side. Draw a line, select this line and arc and add the tangency and add the coincidence relation. Here you can also use the trim option. Now I will make it construction and I will select the 3-point arc and I will create an arc. I used a lot construction geometry. It is optional, it is not necessary you also draw this. It is my practice. Now I will close it and I will switch to the isometric, and here is of this pad is of the 8 mm. So we will click on the pad, click on the reverse, and here we will give the dimension of 8 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create this pad. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will click on the project geometry and we will create a 3-point arc. Switch to the wireframe, and now we will select this and this and make it equal, and we will also merge the center points, and now we will project this outer diameter, and we will select the line tool and join these 2 points, make it vertical. Now we will again select a 3-point arc and create an arc. Now we will add the tangency relation, tangent, tangent. So we have a fully constrained profile. We will close it and click on the pad, and from here we will switch to the flat lines. Now this is the total 16. We have already given 8 here, so I will give the 8 mm, click on OK. And now you can see that it seems like two separate bodies. So click on the pad and here refine, set it true. Now click on the face and click on the sketch, project the geometry, and this is of diameter 13, 2 holes. So select the circle and give the diameter of 13. Click on close, click on pocket and say true all, say OK. Now we will mirror this on the other sides. So we will click on the mirror and we will select last 3 features which we have made, click on OK, and from here click on select reference and we will select this mid plane, click on OK. So you can see that our feature is mirror on the other side. Now we will switch to the isometric. Now we will create this feature. For this we will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on project geometry, and now I will create a 3-point arc. If we see this rib of the 8 mm thickness, so I will select the line tool, make it vertical, and now we will give the dimension. So let's rotate our model. So from the center to the outer point is of 82.5. So I will select the dimension and give 82.5, and this is of 8 mm. So I will select this point and this point, give the 8 mm, and then this point to this point I will give 4 mm and click on OK. Now we will add the material here. So select the sketch and click on the pad, and from the top to this center is a 42.5. You can check this dimension, click on the reverse and click on OK. And now the next feature is we will create a cut. So we will select this face and click on the sketch. This is the diameter 25. So we will click on project geometry, we will project this edge and this edge, and we will create a circle and I will give it a diameter of 25, and I will select this diameter and this line and add the tangency. Similarly this one and this one, and add the tangent. And now I will use the trim options to trim it, and I will close my profile. Close it, click on the pocket tool and set it true all, say OK. Now we will select this face and click on the sketch. Now we will click on the project geometry and we will create a circle, and we will project this diameter So we will select on project geometry, project it, switch to the wireframe, and now I will create a line which will be tangent. Click on the tangent, this point and this diameter, and add the coincidence relation. And now I will project these two edges. Select the line tool, and click on the trim and trim the geometry. And this one is unconstrained. Let's find out it. So I will select this point and say merge. Click on close. Now we will click on the pocket tool and we will say true all, say OK. Now we will add the material here. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will click on the project geometry, click on close, and this total is of 15 mm and this is 8, so 7 mm, so 3.5 on the both the sides. So click on the pad and say 3.5, click on OK. Now click on this pad and click on the mirror, and from here select reference and select this plane, and here it is not merge, so click on the mirror and here say refine true. And now we will create this feature. For this we will select this face and click on the datum plane, and here in a Z direction we will give the dimension, as it is a 13 mm and this is a 12 mm, so total 25. So in a Z direction we will give the plane of 25. It is going upper side, so we will change its sign from positive to minus and click on OK. Now select the datum plane and click on the sketch, and now we will click on project geometry, we will project this, so it is projected. And now we will come out of the sketch and off our datum plane and again edit our sketch. We will also project our other edge so that diameter will be complete. Now here we can see that it is R15 means 30, so we will draw the two lines, and first we will give the dimensions 30, and from center to this one will be 15, and I move my dimensions. And now I will select a 3-point arc and I will select this and this and add a tangent, this and this and add a tangent. Select this point and this point and give the 30, which is already given. Now all we have to define the center position, so I will select this point and this point, and 75 plus 35, 75 plus 35, and we will switch to the wireframe. So this is not close, so we will select a 3-point arc and we will select this and this and make it equal. Click on close, click on pad. So here we will give the pad of 9 mm, so give here 9, click on OK. Now switch to the flat lines, and now we will add the 3 mm here, so we will select the face. So here the importance thing is that our datum plane, so we have took in upper side, so because we have considered the maximum 25 mm, so that is fine. Now we will switch to the isometric, select the face and click on the sketch. Now click on the project geometry. Now here I will select the slot tool and create a slot, and I will make this radius equal, and center to center is a 35, so select these 2 points and add the dimension of a 35. Now close it and click on the pad and give the 3 mm distance, click on OK, and now we will select the face and again create a slotted cut. Click on the project geometry, project it, and inner one is of a 17.5, so we again select the slot tool, select this point and this point and add 17.5, and slot center to center is a 35, so give the 35, click on OK, click on close, click on the pocket tool and says through all, say OK. Now this is not merging here, click on the pocket, here is a refine, set it true, and here is a one hole is not given, so we will select the face. So here one hole is not given, so we will select the face and click on the sketch and click on the project geometry, and this is hole of a diameter 15, so we will create a circle, click on the diameter and give it a 15, click on close, click on the pocket, and from here say through all, say OK. All fillet and round is of R3, which I am not giving, else tutorial will be too lengthy. So we have made all features of our isometric drawing, and we have successfully converted this control bracket into a FreeCAD model with the help of a part design workbench in FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.